In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text background color in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Figma and create a new design. This is the space where you'll be adding your text and experimenting with the background colors. Once you have your new design open, we can move on to the next step. You'll want to paste or edit your image within this workspace. Images often provide a great background for our text, so make sure you find an image that looks appealing. Now that you have your image in place, we can move on to adding some text. Create a new text layer and start editing its settings to suit your design needs. Change the font, size, and alignment as you see fit. You want your text to stand out, so consider choosing a bold typeface or adjusting the size to make it more noticeable. Once your text is the way you like it, it's time to create that background color. Right-click on the text layer you just created. This will bring up a menu with various options, and from here, we will look for that magical option that allows us to change the text's background. From the right-click menu, select Use as Mask. This essentially means you're saying, "Hey Figma, I want the image to fit only where my text is." This is a key step, as it sets the stage for the next part, where we get to play with our background color. Now that we have our mask set up, it's time to bring in the image. Click on the image you want to use as a background and simply drag it into the mask group that we just created. You'll see that the image will only display within the confines of your text. This also allows for a lot of creativity. You can use colorful or patterned images in the background and sadlaying, making your text pop even more. If you wish to go further and customize the background color, consider creating a rectangle behind your text. Simply draw a rectangle that covers the area where your text and image are. You can then select the rectangle and change its fill color. You might choose a light shade or a contrasting color that complements your text. This is an excellent way to ensure your text is readable while still having a vibrant background. And just like that, you've successfully changed the text background color in Figma. Don't forget to play around with different images, text sizes, and colors. Creativity is key here, so don't be afraid to experiment until you find the perfect combination for your design. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more great content on design tips and tricks. Happy designing, and I can't wait to see what you create in Figma.